A very good o'clock to all the students. Here I am Amisha, ma'am, your English grammar teacher. Students, today I am here to start our chapter number 6, that is noun, gender. We have completed noun, its classification, singular and plural noun, and now we are on its gender. See, noun belongs to gender group, which means that they either have masculine gender or feminine gender or common gender or neuter gender. Okay, four categories we are being subdividing our noun as masculine gender. First one, that is a male belonging to male living things, like you can see in your family as well: brother, men, uncle, prince, lion, fox, peacock, etc. They are in a male category and they are living, so they are being called as masculine gender. Okay, now let's talk about second gender, which is feminine gender, or you can say it is belonging to the female living things. Like in your family, you could see your sister, woman, mother, girl, queen, also you can take in that category, cow, etc. They are living and they are in a female category, so they are being categorized as feminine gender. Third one is, students, is our common gender, which is either male or female living things. Okay, either male or female living things. Like parent. Parent could be male also, could be female also. You can say for mother as well, for father as well. Child. Child could be a girl also, male or female, or a boy or a girl. Okay, so you can say commonly child. Friend. Friend could be either a male or a female. When you say कि this is my friend, हो सकता है स्टूडेंट्स वो फ्रेंड आपकी कोई गर्ल भी हो सकती है, कोई बॉय भी हो सकता है. कॉमनली यू आर टेलिंग देम और यू आर सेइंग देम एज अ फ्रेंड. स्टूडेंट, when I am coming to this video and what I am saying in the starting, a very good o'clock to all the student. So student, what I am denoting for you all, whether you are girls, whether you are boys, whoever is watching the video. Okay, commonly I am saying student, so this comes under the category of common gender. Cousin, orphan, thief, bird, etc. Now let's talk about the last one, which is our neuter gender. Neuter means not male or female and not living things. Okay, like table. Table is not a male, table is not female, and table is not a living thing as well. Like you can see in my video, this pencil, it is neither male nor female and not even a living thing. So it is under the category of students neuter gender. Okay. House. House is neither male nor female and also not in a category of living thing, so it is being belonging to neuter gender. Let's talk about some collective nouns. Collective nouns I have already told you in the previous video, which are in a collection, like army, class, club, government, crowd, etc. are said to be in neuter gender. So are living things like ant, frog, snake, worm, etc. Okay, these comes under the category, collective nouns comes under the category of neuter gender. Note the following: sun, autumn, winter, death, war, time, love, etc. are said to be in masculine gender. Do remember that. Sun comes in category of masculine gender, male. Autumn season, winter, death, war, time, love, they comes under the category of students masculine gender. Moon, earth, justice, peace, trust, charity, nature, spring, etc. comes under the category of feminine gender. In Hindi, if you have already observed, your mother says, even in the stories also, we say Chanda Mama. But no, your Chanda, that is your moon, comes under the category of feminine gender. Okay? Just look to the formation of feminine gender by different words. In masculine, it is bachelor, its feminine becomes spinster. Masculine, it is monk, in feminine, it becomes nun. Wizard in masculine and its feminine is witch. Bull, masculine, feminine is cow. Similarly, many are given, just go through it. Okay. Second one is by adding ESS to the masculine, like hire. You can only add ESS to form its masculine. Host, you can add ESS, it becomes hostess. Lion, you can only add ESS to become its feminine, lioness. Now students, see, third one is the form is slightly changed before adding ESS. Tiger, to tiger. Tiger is a masculine gender. To it you can add ESS and it will be tigress, feminine. Okay, master, mistress. Okay, governor, governess. Exception, hero. Hero is a word, you can't add ESS. Hero is you can't do. You have to change it in the formation of feminine as heroine. Okay, sultan, sultana, it's feminine. By adding a word, brother-in-law, Brother-in-law में what you have to remove? You have to remove this word brother because it belongs to masculine category, and you have to add its feminine, that is sister, and it becomes sister-in-law. So removal of this word. Landlord, lord you will remove and you will add lady to it to become its feminine, that is landlady. Grandfather, grandmother, stepbrother, stepsister. Hope so the video is clear to you. This is our last chapter which is coming in test 1. Do watch the video to understand this chapter. Try to solve the exercise as well. Okay. Thank you, students.